This part I will show you how to run second order buckling analysis in Tekla Structural Designer. Click on the analyze, click on the second order buckling and select the load case you want to run analysis and load combinations. I suggest you use a load combination, the gravity load and the lateral load along x-axis and lateral load along y-axis. Select the maximum load case load combination is enough for each direction. Now I use this one and select other load combination. You can click for one load combination. I use this only two load combination for this example. If you select all your PC will run slower. Click OK and select the load combination 1 and 2. Check for the mode buckling 1 and the mode. The buckling factor is 1.25. So the result is yes, it is very small. And we check the reflection. Where is the buckling? Wow. So we need to check again about this raster, why the buckling happen in this direction. Okay, you see here the displacement of the node. Okay, we will check it later and change the load factor. Yeah, it happened on the raster. Now it's happened on the column. Change to the load combination 10 and check for the first mode. Yeah, check deflection on the column. Now come back. Want to check the first mode. Yes, you can add animation. Check on the third mode. And the fourth mode. Okay, we had to add the beam at the middle of the raster to prevent this buckling mode.